Actually, let's just keep on recording until the sound disappears. Ooh, I'll be careful with that. You know, folks, that airplane sounds very similar to an obvious jet that I heard about 6 years ago. On February 22nd, 2021, when I was at my old Victory Church, Victory Assembly of God. Yeah, I have a whole video of me talking about that if you want to check it out. Well, folks, I cannot see the aircraft, but it was probably just a passenger plane, commercial, cargo, but I don't know if it was a fighter jet, or else I would have seen it, because they don't necessarily fly that high unless they're on missions. But if you like this video, then like and subscribe, and enable post notifications, and comment below what you think that aircraft might have been. Bye-bye.